Alright, A-Team, let's get into part 2 of the Supreme Clean Soft Wash application and final results. So you see us doing our property protection. It's always important to do that. Communication is key. We're doing right here is a pre-rinse where we're wetting everything down, wetting the vinyl siding down, wetting the windows down, have the screens off, everything, right? Now we're coming in between this walkway here. We have the shed on that side that's vinyl sided right there, vinyl siding. We're wetting it all the way from the top to the bottom. Same thing there. Now you see it's coming all the way down. And now we're doing up on the top of the carport. At the same time, we're doing our property protection, wetting all the plants around because we're going to treat it. And here you see now we're treating starting from the back side of the house all the way up to the other side between the shed and the home, all the way to the front, which was 60 feet there and another 40 feet towards the back. So now as you see us putting, the video, by the way, the video is sped up. So you're seeing us going from top to bottom, making it, having that fan, the X-Jet M5 twist, fan opened or closed on the way to get that fan. And now you see us applying the solution. Look at that, bobbing and weaving now, right? So after we did everything here, and you see us, obviously this is the part of the rinse. We didn't get every bit of the rinse down on video, as this is a good size home, not too big, about nearly 1,700 feet, and then with the shed added on another 100 square feet. And we're getting all up underneath what you have are gutters right there, some wasp nests up in there. I mean, it came out really good. So now we're coming in the front right here, property protection again. So we want to pre-wet everything because the sun is hitting this, and you don't want to have your solution all on the, sitting in the sun and getting baked on those windows right there. And the temperature here in Northern California, where we're doing this is, I think it's probably about 80, it's about 10 in the morning here. So it's probably about 82, 84, somewhere around there. Today was a warm day. Now, as you see us applying our solution now, same thing. X-Jet M5 twist. We got it fanned, and when you fan it, you close it. And that's what, squeeze it, and it gives it that V shape right there. It gets a lot of coverage right there. So we're getting all the nooks and crannies. I mean, allterraine.com. We take care of our clients just like family because you're a part of the extended family. Allterraine.com for the Supreme Clean. The slogan, make that phone number ring. As we mentioned that they opted in for professional window cleaning services, and we went above and beyond. It's very important that we communicate that and build up expectations, because after the clean, we walked around that this had some hard water spots on there, but because of the communication, there's no problem. All right, A-Team, we wrapped up here with the Supreme Clean. Check it out. You remember what it looked like night and day? The windows are gleaming. About to go ahead and snap the screens back on there. I'm gonna get really close up in there so you can see how they gleam. Wow. Well, also look at the exterior. All right. Look underneath there. Remember how it was at first? All right, we put everything back right here. Got everything all cleaned and spruced up. You remember how this patio cover over the porch area was, right? Nice and clean. We took all the property protection back off as far as the tape and stuff. Look at the windows. All we need to do now is just put the screens back on. We'll come around back here. Take a look from this side. Look at that angle right there. You remember where it was? Softening fascia, the whole house wash. So in totality, we did about, I'm gonna say it's about 18. This is about 1,700. And then you have this shed over here that has vinyl wrapped in there, another 100 square feet, so 1,800 square feet. And then we did this. So take a look back here. I'll make this quick. Look, everything nice and clean. Remember, it was all muddy this way. We cleaned this up, did this as a courtesy, just got all the mud up out of there. But look at it now. Take a look up. You have a 60 foot by 11 carport. All right, look at this. Look at the siding now. Look at the windows, everything clean. If you're looking for the Supreme Clean, don't hesitate to reach out to All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. We'll love to assist you. Visit us online at allterraine.com. You remember how the shed was, right? The shed was initially had a lot of heavy dirt on it. It cleaned up really, really nice. Take a look at the carport. Again, nice nice and clean. Windows all clean. Everything clean. We put all the mats back. Right? Everything done nice. She opted out. Like I said, we'll probably come back another time if she so chooses to have us do the concrete work for her to get that all cleaned up. But look at it. Everything looks very, very nice. So if you're looking for the Supreme Clean, don't hesitate to reach out to allterraine.com. We love to assist you. The Supreme Clean, you know our slogan. Make